How to use Vimeo online video editor. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you our tutorial on how to use the Vimeo online video editor. If you're looking to edit your videos quickly and easily without the need for complex software, Vimeo's online video editor is the perfect tool to use. Vimeo's online video editor offers a user-friendly interface and a range of powerful editing features that will help you transform your raw footage into polished and professional-looking video. So whether you're a beginner or unexperienced video creator, Vimeo's editor has something to offer. So let's get started. Now to be able to access the online editor of Vimeo, you're going to have to go to vimeo.com over here, as you can see, and you're simply going to click on join for free. And then you're going to have to enter your first and last name, email address, password, and then you can simply click on join with email over here, or you can simply join with Google over here. It's a very quick and simple process, so I think you wouldn't be confused by this. Now after signing up or logging in, if you already have an account, this is what you will be able to see. This is the home page or the home section of the Vimeo editor. And as you can see here, there are a lot of things in our screen. So we're going to give you a quick tour before we proceed. Over here right now, this is the home page. You will be able to see your recent videos over here. Anything that you have uploaded into Vimeo will be seen over here. As you can see, this is an example video over here. You could delete, download, replace, embed an email, embed over here, or check analytics for the specific video that you have uploaded. You could also see the feed over here, wherein you will be able to see the outputs or different videos created by other creators in Vimeo who are using Vimeo outputs. You can also see your categories over here like ads and commercials, animation, branded content, comedy, documentary, experimental, and many more. If you would like to explore it, you can simply click on view all over here. You can also check out your library. This is where you will be able to see and monitor the different videos that you have uploaded into Vimeo. You can also check out your different live events. Yes, you could upload or you can start a live event in Vimeo. You could also see your showcase over here. You could create a showcase wherein you could show a custom site that demonstrates or shows your different outputs, different videos, different photos. You could also create an embed video playlist over here, or you could put your videos on TV, as you can see here on your preview over here on the right side. You can also get your videos monetized over here, as you can see. And you will be able to monitor your views over here of the different videos that you have uploaded or different videos that you have edited. Over here on the top right, you could also upload your videos in this section. Click on upload over here and you will be able to begin uploading your different videos. You could create your video over here, which would allow us to access the video editor, which we will check out later on. And you could also record screen and create event over here. Now when uploading a video, you will be able to upload them by either dragging it in this section over here or choosing files from your computer or library. Or you could choose to upload from Dropbox, Drive, Box, Zoom, Webex, or other apps over here. There are also other options over here like Video Maker, Live Event, and Screen Recording that you will be able to have the same options over here. For screen recording, you can simply click on Start Screen Recording. Actually, we could also record our tutorial right now of Vimeo with the screen recording over here and also edit the video in the video making section of Vimeo, as you can see here. So let's start creating our video, or let's see and use the video maker or the video editor of Vimeo. In this section, as you can see, you will be able to choose and create a template, as you can see here. You can choose from the different templates over here to immediately start creating amazing outputs using the templates available in Vimeo, or you could create your own by simply clicking on this option over here. You could either get a quick video or start from scratch over here. So we're going to explore the start from scratch. And as you can see, we're going to give it some time. And here we go. This is our editing section or the online editor of Vimeo. Over here on the left side, you will be able to upload your different media. There's also stock media over here like abstract, aerial, city, and all of these options over here. You could upload or use videos that you have uploaded over here. You could choose from your Google Photos if you would like to connect them over here. There's also presets in this section, as you can see, like intro, outro, live event, for recording, basics, different things that you could add to your video. You also have your text over here. You could add your title, headline, sub-headline, or caption over here, or simply click on add text over here. You also have your different graphics that you will be able to add to your videos. As you can see, there are a lot of different graphics that you will be able to use. There's also music that you could add to the background in this section. As you can see, there are a lot of options. You have all music over here, recents. You could add filters if you would like, the different moods, genre, types, and categories over here. There's also palettes over here, color palettes that you will be able to use to color or make your videos more colorful. There's also brands over here if you have your own brand. But right now, we're not going to tackle this one. We're simply going to focus on how you could use the Vimeo editor. Now, for now, we're going to use a stock photo or stock video over here. And let's see how we will be able to start and edit. And as you can see, you're simply going to click on this to add as a new scene. And you could also add this as a new scene over here, which allow it to put it together over here. You could add another video in between by simply clicking this and then selecting a video over here. And as you can see, it will upload the video, so you're going to have to wait for a few seconds. And then you could also check out the timeline in this section. As you can see, right now it's still loading, and as you can see, this is what people would usually see in any editing software. This is the section, or you could also view it in this section over here. Hovering on a specific clip would allow you to make a quick edit over here, or like remove it by clicking this three dots over here. You could hide, duplicate, or delete over here. Now when you click on play, you will be able to see this. The total amount of time right now is 22 seconds. This is the scene 1, this is the scene 2, and this is the scene 3 over here. Or you could also check out your timeline in this section. And you could also click on preview. By clicking on preview, you will be able to see the final output with all the different outputs together over here. And there's also the video duration over here. You could replace the video by clicking this. You could remove it. You could edit the trimmings over here. You could check out if there's no sound, or if you would like to add a sound. You could also size and fit it. You could change the colors. You could change the layouts over here. By clicking on layouts, you will be able to see these options over here on the left side. There's also guides over here if you would like to have. And you can also change the aspect ratio of how you would like the video to be presented. You have landscape, portrait, and 1:1 over here. Now, after using or after editing your video, it's very easy to use. You can simply click on save over here, which would allow you to save your video into your library, which then you will be able to start downloading or upload it to the community for others to see. And they will be able to see that. And if ever a lot of people, or if ever people like your videos, they could hire you. Actually, they can send you an email and hire you for the output that you have created. And you could also start earning potentially money with Vimeo. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.